Today I'm going to build an adjustable LED flasher circuit using a 20K ohm potentiometer. To begin, I'm using a 470 microfarad capacitor. First, I solder the negative pin of the capacitor to the output pin of the 20K ohm potentiometer. This capacitor will act as the timing element for the LED flasher. Next, I take a BC547 NPN transistor and solder its emitter pin to the positive pin of the capacitor. This sets up the base-emitter relationship needed for switching action. After that, I connect a red LED. The negative, shorter leg of the LED is soldered directly to the negative pin of the capacitor, while the positive leg is soldered to the collector pin of the BC547 transistor. Once soldered, I carefully trim the extra leads of the LED for a neat finish. Now it's time to wire the power supply. I connect the positive wire of a 12-volt battery to the emitter pin of the transistor. Then, I connect the negative wire of the battery to the ground pin of the potentiometer, completing the power circuit. With everything wired up, the circuit is now ready for testing. When I connect the 12-volt battery, the LED glows steadily. Then, as I gently rotate the knob of the potentiometer, the LED starts blinking. The flashing rate changes depending on the resistance, allowing full control over the blinking speed. If you found this project helpful or interesting, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting electronics projects.